Welcome back to EV Channel PH. Wala nang intro pa because continuation lamang ito ng last episode natin about Geely EX5. Like I said before, this Geely EX5 is the first ever full electric SUV na nilaunch ng Geely Philippines. Geely EX5 is a compact all-electric SUV designed for urban living, emphasizing efficiency, practicality, and sustainability, while maintaining a sleek and stylish look. The Geely EX5 is a front-wheel drive electric SUV powered by permanent magnet synchronous motor. It delivers 160 kW of power, converting at 218 horsepower and 320 Nm naman sa kanyang torque, reaching a top speed of 175 km per hour. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 6.9 seconds. Of course, battery life and range are super important for EV owners. Tara, tignan natin kung ano kaya ang kayang i-offer ng Geely EX5. Ang battery capacity nito kay EV ay 60.22 kWh. Ang kanyang battery type is lithium-ion phosphate. Ang WLTP range is 430 km. Pagdating naman sa NEDC range is 495 km. Powered by 60.22 kW, tapos lithium-ion phosphate pa yung kanyang battery type. Meaning, hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala sa range anxiety because kaya mo nang makauwi sa mga karating province natin dito sa Metro Manila. It supports a multi-drive mode na Eco, Normal, and Sport. For the charging, it features a Type 2 CCS2 yung port. Then for the DC fast charging nito, ay meron itong 100 kW. So it takes the battery from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes. And also, it supports 11 kW AC slow charging. Additionally, ka-EV, meron itong B2L or vehicle to load na pwede pang camping, di ba? And B2V, vehicle to vehicle. Again, pwede itong tumulong sa mga nalolobat na sasakyan or EV sa kalsada. Alright, pagdating sa itsura at design ng etong electric vehicle na ito, the front profile of this electric vehicle is sporty, sleek, kita nyo naman, at futuristic yung looks. And isa pa, gusto ko dito yung LED headlights niya na nagbe-blend sa kanyang grille-less front face. Okay, kita nyo naman ang kinis na much better ito for aerodynamics. Then dito sa kanyang emblem logo, here, itong nasa center niya is plain and simple pero napaka-elegant niyang tingnan. Yung kanyang air vent naman dito sa ilalim ay ine-enhance niya yung cooling and efficiency nitong EV. Alright, dito sa side profile ng EX5, features a flash door handle. And of course, meron siyang roof rail dito for added utility. Then yung kanyang side mirror equipped with cameras and integrated na yung kanyang signal light dito. Of course, dagdag safety yan and visibility na rin pagdating sa daanan. At going down, dito naman sa kanyang ilalim ay yung kanyang stylish alloy wheels na napakaganda, wrapped with performance tires ng Goodyear. Ang size nito kay EV is 235 by 50 and 19 inches yung kanyang rim. Sa likod kay EV, full with LED light bar agad yung bubungad sa'yo. Then, bold and uniquely designed naman yung kanyang signature taillight. Again kay EV, meron siyang spoiler dito sa taas for aerodynamics. And kita mo naman yung likod niya, very minimalist, clean yung kanyang bumper. Na nafe-feel ko dito yung pagka-high-tech feel nito. Then of course, makikita mo lang dito yung Geely emblem at yung kanyang EX5 badge dito sa side. So it's plain and simple din gaya ng sa harap. Then high-tech na rin yung kanyang power tailgate. Hands-free access na rin ito. Tapos pwede siyang voice command sa loob para mas convenient. Alright, dito naman tayo at pag-usapan natin yung inside of Geely EX5. First thing na nanotice ko dito kay EV, yung premium dark interior niya, which feels like sleek and modern yung kanyang dating sa akin. The steering wheel has a comfortable grip. And of course, right behind this, yung kanyang fully digital instrument panel. Tapos nito, naka-display naman yung lahat ng essentials for the driving information. Then dito naman sa kanyang gear selector is neatly positioned. Then one thing I love para dito sa Geely na nakita ko meron pa rin mga physical buttons para sa ating air condition. Alam nyo naman, while driving, super convenient talaga na meron ganito pa rin mga touch button na pwede nating makapa habang nagda-drive tayo. So maganda rito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-search sa ating screen para sa air conditioning niya. Of course, kay EV dito sa baba ng aircon, there's a small console box na nandito. Tapos below the console box, meron siyang extra storage or space na perfect sa mga bag or mga small items natin. Tapos may wireless charger na rin dito and another console box under ng ating armrest. Alright, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang sound system. Itong EX5 comes with 16 climb speaker. Meron siyang 3 dito sa front. Then of course, meron siyang speaker sa mga doors. And of course, eto, even in the headrest ng front driver at yung kanyang front passenger ay meron na ring speaker sa kanilang mga headrest. Meron siyang ambient lighting dito na nakasync sa ating music at nakakapagbigay ng cool vibe para habang nagda-drive ka, at least diba, sumasayaw yung ilaw. Then ito naman yung kanyang key fob, sleek and modern na rin, just like the car, diba? For comfort naman ka EV, both front seats are power adjustable. Meron itong massage, ventilation, at heating function na perfect ito sa kahit anumang weather natin dito sa Pinas. Also, meron din itong leg rest para sa front passenger natin. And of course, the seats can be reclined para sa maximum relaxation. And at the back passengers ka EV, magugulat ka dito na napakaluwag ng kanyang legroom. Plus, nare-recline pa yung kanyang mga seats dito sa likod for extra comfort. Meron itong seat back pocket dito. And of course, meron na rin itong air vent para sa ating aircon. Meron siyang charging socket. Yan, in case na kailangan natin mag-charge dito sa likod. Meron siyang utility box dito and another utility box din dito sa ilalim ng kanyang upuan. Added convenient na rin na pwede mong pagtaguan ng mga extra shoes natin. And if you need more cargo space, dito sa kanyang rear seat ka EV, you can fold down easily 60 or 40 or pwede rin namang 100%. The EX5 has a panoramic sunroof, a giant glass panel na pasok yung natural light na pwedeng i-open halfway kung kailangan mo ng fresh air. And it also comes with power sunshade na in case na mainit na, ay may cover pa rin tayo. And bago ko makalimutan ka EV, what do you think of this interior? Let me know at the comment section. And of course, the Geely EX5 equipped with ADAS features for safer and smarter driving. Alright, for the available colors for the Geely EX5, meron itong Moonlight Silver, Snow White, Carbon Black, Frosty Gray, and Turquoise Green. Iba-iba man yung ating mga style. Alam ko, meron pa rin magmamatch sa personality mo sa mga color available ng Geely EX5. Alright, baby, bago tayo magtapos, baka pwede mong i-like yung ating video. Alright, kung nagustuhan mo ito at kung gusto mo ng mga EV content na katulad nito, please subscribe sa ating channel, Electric Vehicle Channel PH, at pakipollow na rin yung ating Facebook page ng Go EV. At ito na, ang ating inaabangan, ang presyo ng Geely EX5 Max. 1.799 million pesos. What do you think ka EV? Mahal ba? Mura ba? Pasok ba sa budget mo? Let me know sa comment section. By the way, I'm Mark from Electric Vehicle Channel PH. Let's go! Peace!